Hello everyone, this is MAX7219 digital display. It's a 4-in-1. There are 8 MAX7219 4-in-1 display type here, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom row. So once you connect this to ESP8266 through Wi-Fi, it shows the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.43 and 16. The entire display parameter can be controlled through a web page. So let's see the demonstration. So as you can see here, these are the web pages. So I'm going to select here left scroll. So as you can see here, it is changed to left scroll. If I change to scroll up, see, it is changed to scroll up here. And let's type some message here. So I'm going to type here message. Typing welcome. Message. So if you can see here, welcome is coming, and you can see change the parameter also. See, grow up, then scroll. See, it is upright, and if you just want to see timing, then you can see, you will see timing now. So it's date and time, both are coming. These are the current date and time here. If you want to change left scroll back, so now it is changed. So as you can see here, this is a display parameter control through the mobile. In my next video, I'll give a demonstration of the code, how it works. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, give a subscribe and also hit like button. Thank you.